For those who are joining for the first time, I welcome you all here. Please like, please subscribe, please share with a friend, with another friend. My name is Cynthia Melody Gordon, affectionately known as Melody. I'm the mother of a Jamaican journalist, and I'm here to bring back the good old days. My topic tonight is dating in the shadow. Growing up in Jamaica, this is not my story, but from friends, when we sit and talk and they tell you their story, I'll tell you a part of mine. But first, let me share with you friend Tori. All right, we ready to go? My friend, she was sick one day, and then she tell her mother that a friend is coming to visit her. So when the friend come, like the friend said, Miss J, I heard that your daughter sick and me come to look for your daughter. Miss J say yes, she's not feeling well. Anyway, she said, you can't go in a room, go look for her. But make it be the first and the last. Then hear the little cheeky friend. This is not the first and this is not the last. Because boyfriend a come a yard all the while when mama not did there, you know. And then when mama say make this be the first and the last. Mama thinks that this is the first and this gonna be the last. And she run her back. But mama never hear her. This is not the first and this won't be the last. That time she have her little boyfriend, you know. And a galangins with things. When mama not did it, you hear them say, some of uno, when mama not did it, uno lick over time. Uno have uno little play over time, you know, when mama not did it. Because when mama not did it, at that time, you hear them say, when the cat is away, the mice is going to play. So, these when young people growing up, you know, for them they could dating spot under one tree. And if somebody see you, and they go tell them parents, you know, say a whopping. Because them grow you in this culture, you're not supposed to talk to no man till you're a certain age. And as gone to my mother used to tell me, say, me I go stay in a yard and get old. Because me never know no way. All when me see pick me, I go yaso deso. Pan trip pan sitting. Me couldn't go. Because my mother say, me I go learn to cut me drawers. And in a yard me I go tan. So me no know no way. So one day my father carry me go Sentan. My father stepmother carry me go Sentan. And said, this is Linstead, this is Clement, this is Manig. Me feel so excited now. Me a drive pan bus and me a know. East, west, north and south now. Feel happy. Go a center me get time to go play. Because me meet new friends now me get to go play. Then one guy did like me. And a right note come push your door. Come give me. Me don't know anything about boyfriend and them something there. Because me grow dark. Like middle night. Me no fit talk to no boy. Me no fit talk to no man. Nor anything of them sort there. So one day me a talk to somebody. My man pass and go tell my mother say, you know say me see her a courting. They don't call it courtship at the time, you know. They call it courting. Then we are young people, we don't know anything like that. Me never got dance. Church me know. Me no know no dance. So we got young people's meeting on Friday night. So sometime when you figure young people's meeting and young people's meeting over, we have the friend at the gate of the show. So we that go in a show, late moon show. And when I come home, you know, about 12 o'clock, you know, and tell mama say something happen at church. And we couldn't get to come home. Time I like a little show, you know, man. Like show. Come home. So my time we get a piece of beating. But nevertheless. So our parents didn't want us to get pregnant at an early age. Because in a them time there, them used to get pregnant at an early age and have 6, 7, 4, 8 picnic. And them never want it happen to it. They say I send school, them I send we go learn. Learn to read and write and have good education. That was their aim. And at the same time, you have to be domesticated. Learn to wash, cook and clean. And learn to take care of the other sibling them. Because my mother did have a lot of children, you know. So my time when my mother have a baby, you know, say me I go stop from school. Oh my Lord. Me I go stop from school to look after baby. Because when baby a ball, me have to make feeding. Me have to make porridge. When my mother gone to church at night time, me no know how me never burn down that the house there with them in there, that the board house with them in there. You know why? We used to have one lamp. And you have one pan. Like one Milo tin. So you put the Milo tin on top of a lamp. And hot the water for your baby feeding. So me have to do that. Send mama say me go boil porridge. She not did it, she gone. Gone to market. Gone buy food. If you boil a baby porridge. And after me look after tea and boil a baby porridge at a tender age. Me never reach 16 yet. Me have to turn around. Look hood. Split up a hood. Put on the fire, cook. Breakfast for them. And feed the other children them in the house. Sometimes when the baby a ball, and my mother cook, me have to take up baby, a hush baby. A hush baby. So, me learn from a very tender age to be responsible. Learn responsibilities. So when I had my children, I was able to maneuver myself to take care of them because my mother taught me that very well. So with my mother gone and my brother them doing the thing, there was a little brother there, he was so rude. Ask if me no give him the whoopee. Yes, because me and your mother now, you know, because mama no did it and me a run things and me rule. Me a bigger one. Them have to listen when me talk. Yeah. Ever hear when old people used to say, you couldn't give them a face, a chat and no cheekiness. Because them a tell you, when I talk, no damn dog bark. So you couldn't utter anything out of your mouth. And even if when them say something to you, and you feel offended, you make sure no say that the face there have to hide. And that the mouth there have to hide. Because them a half of your backs. Them a half of your for your teeth. Then drop out of ground. Because them a go box out your teeth of ground. I never like when the children cry. When the baby cry, you take up baby. One day, I can't forget my sister. She was crying and I took her out of the crib and the baby fall right over my shoulder. You see, children nowadays, them come like egg. Them the picnic then grow rough and tough. No soft soap like them picnic nowadays. But I had a lot of tasks on my hand. I know little wood fire me blow till me eye run water. I know little box and bag and baggage me carry upon my head like a donkey. And a little wood me split. Axe. Sometimes you have to use the axe head fly off. You have to use a chisel. Chisel out the stick out of the axe. Get fresh stick and put back in. Ox coconut. Go look brushwood. Then I pick breadfruit. You have to go on that tree, I pick up breadfruit, I pick up this, I pick up that. These when they used to put all the lime to ripen the pear. And the carbine with the banana. Me used to love diesel, you know. Love diesel and train. So one morning, you know, man, I run breathless. Me hear the train. As me hear the train, poo. Me I drink the tea and me hear the train, poo. Me have on my clothes, me just dash out. You see, by the time me reach the train station, the conductor on the train have to lift me up and just fling me in the train. See me, breathless. Me I take evening class now. 5 o'clock. Train come us about 2, 3 o'clock. 5 o'clock now, you know, the diesel come. So me I hurry up my work. I mean, I done my work, you know. As me a diesel, me want dash out of class. Teacher says, sit down and finish your work. Diesel gone left me. Me have to walk, it come home. Chat foot come home. But me not diesel, you know. A morning time, you know, me like the coach where you sit down and look out the window. So one day now, me decide say train ride sweet me. Me no decide say me want go home. Me continue the ride. And then me say me come off here. So when me come off, I want teacher me see us from school. The teacher say, what you do up at Earwood? What you do up at Earwood? Me say me I go look for my granny. That time my granny no live at Earwood. I last now. Walk on all one tunnel. The teacher just get one car and just say, drop her out of Riversdale. You see when me come home, my mother say, where you in there? Me tell him say, last. And then when me go to school, the teacher spread and tell every picnic now. And my big sister take me and I tell me if tell everybody what happened. Everybody. Me say I never see something born me that the day they so yet. Me have to walk and tell everybody, oh, me go got Earwood. Oh, me go yaso. And where you not do there? And then pay me to, you know, me start get money. Because me start turn superstar, you know, man. Me start get money for talk. Oh, me come, oh, me make it train carry me way. I wasn't a bad child. Mother grew me good. Afraid for go anywhere. So, me dip on the train and me just say, me not tap at this station here. Continue, because train ride sweet. Those were the good old days. Them me a picnic now live no life. Them me a picnic now live no life. It's bye for now. So please like my video. Please subscribe. Please interact with me in the comment section. I highly appreciate that. Thank you for watching. I'm out.